My motto is this: if you're not going to bed looking like a glazed donut, you're not doing something right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are in a different setting. We are in the bathroom because for today's video, I kind of want to relax. I want to show you my at-home facial routine, the days that I want to just pamper myself when I feel like I need to revive the skin. This is what I usually do. Yeah, it's really late right now. It's probably like 9 p.m. I'm ready for bed. But I was like, you know what? I haven't really done much to my skin all week. I haven't exfoliated. I haven't scrubbed. I haven't done a single thing. And I have been breaking out because unfortunately, it's that time of the month. So I'm like, you know what? Let me do something to make my skin feel good again. Pamper it a little bit. Try to take care of what's going on with it, to get it back to its normal self. So if you're interested in seeing the things that I use when I'm doing my at-home facial routine, then just go ahead and keep watching. So I'm fresh out the shower. I took a shower, did everything. I don't have anything in my face. I haven't washed my face or anything. So that's the first step I'm gonna do, is cleanse my face. I'm gonna be using one of my favorite cleansers. This is the Tea Tree Skin Clearing Facial Wash. This is from the brand The Body Shop. I've mentioned this before. I think I have mentioned it in my favorite skincare products video, kind of thing like that. I'm gonna make sure I link that down below because it has a lot of the products that I'm using in this video in that. So if you're interested in seeing my favorite skincare products, I'll make sure I link that video below. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face using this cleanser. Looks like this. All right, now that my face is nice and clean, I'm going to go ahead and do a scrub. I'm going to be using my OleHenriksen Transforming Walnut Scrub. It looks like this. I love this product. This product is so good. It exfoliates your skin, and I kid you not, once you're done using it, your skin feels like butter. Butter, like butter. It feels like silk. It feels so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a scrub with this, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks, like that. And that's all you need. You need just literally the smallest amount, like that, and just apply it on the face. And I like to make sure I really scrub and get in there, especially my T-zone. Around my nose, my chin. And I like to do this for about a minute. All right, so the scrub is washed off, and this is how the skin is looking so far. Now we're gonna get into the mask, and then after this, I'm gonna wash that off, and then we'll go and do my nighttime skincare routine. The mask that I'm going to be using today is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It looks like this, if it would focus. Ooh, yeah, it looks like that. And this is a Nourishing green mask. It feeds the skin with versatile super green mask formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. It has vitamin C and passion fruit acids to help brighten your skin. So we're gonna put this mask, and I'm gonna be using this little mask applicator thing. Love these. It's, oh my god, so useful when it comes to applying masks. It's not as dirty as putting it on with your fingers. It gives a nice application, and it's easy to rewash and reuse. I got these from Amazon. I think it's like 3 for $5, and I just love them. So I'm just gonna apply my mask, and we're gonna let this sit on the face for about 10 minutes. I can't even remember the last time I did all of these things, probably like 2 weeks, which may sound like a short time to some of you, but I could do this at least once a week. I try to keep up with my skincare. I don't know, this is like my me time. I love doing skincare and pampering myself. Like, it's my time to relax. This is when I kind of just, you know, unwind and just chill. That's why I love it so much. It's like my little portion of the day where I can just unwind and not think about things, you know. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and let this mask sit for 10 minutes, and then I'll be right back and we'll wash it off, and then we can go ahead and finish our routine. Okay, we are back in my room. I went ahead and washed that mask off, and I did put some tea tree oil on a couple of little breakouts that I'm having. And tea tree oil is supposed to help with inflammation as well as drying out the pimple or whatever issue that you have. It's supposed to dry it out so it can help, like what's the word, get rid of it quicker, and also helps lighten acne scars and spots. If you didn't know, I love using tea tree oil for acne or pretty much anything it works for, so I went ahead and did that. Now we're gonna do my nighttime skincare routine, but first my lips are hella dry. I'm gonna take my Laneige lip balm and just put some of that on to moisturize these lips. And don't mind the mess in the back. This is as real as it gets. I do not want to sugarcoat it. I didn't want to fluff it up. I wanted to give you guys the real deal, how I usually do my routine when I'm at home. So now that we've done that, I'm gonna take my Mama Imara Youthful Night Facial Serum. It looks like this. I love this stuff. It has so many good oils and ingredients in here. Everything is all natural and organic, so you do have to shake everything up. And I usually just take like maybe about 2 to 3 drops of this. You don't need much at all, and you're going to see the instant glow and just plumpness to my skin. Oh my god, I look so greasy. Now you are going to look greasy, okay? My motto is this: if you're not going to bed looking like a glazed donut, you're not doing something right. Okay, first of all, no one's going to see you looking like this, so it's okay. But you're supposed to feed your skin with all the goodness, especially at night, because that's when your body kind of like, you know, rejuvenates. It like redoes everything. So I feel like you use your most important products at night when your body is going to be able to take it all in and just, you know, kind of just do its thing. So because when you wake up, you maybe look like a glazed donut before you go to bed, but when I tell you, you wake up so hydrated and your skin feels so smooth and so plump and just healthy. So I really recommend making sure you hydrate and use all your good skincare at night, because you wake up with the best skin ever. So I use that facial serum, and then after that, I'm just gonna put a moisturizer. I'm going to use my Body Shop Vitamin E Nourishing Night Cream. It looks like this, and I'm just going to dab a little bit of that and just blend that in. Like, look at my skin, guys. It looks so good, so good. Oh, I love it, I love it. And make sure you drag everything down to your neck too. Your neck is important. And last but not least, I'm going to take some eye cream. I'm going to be using my Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm. I love this stuff. This is like the little sample size that you get. I tried it out from Sephora and it is so good. Love, love, love this stuff. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that around the eye. And be very delicate when it comes to your eye area, because your eye, or the skin underneath your eye, is the thinnest in your entire body. So make sure you use your ring finger or something that is very light and very not too harsh or too much pressure. So there is this new gadget I just got. It's this facial roller. So you're supposed to put it in the fridge or freezer, because this is stainless steel and it gets cold. And you're supposed to basically put it on your face. Oh my god, it's so cold. And it's supposed to just help with lymphatic drainage, pressing the product into the skin. Oh, it feels so good. It wakes your skin up. I would probably do this in the morning rather than nighttime, but since I have it in front of me, I just want to show you guys me using it. This stuff is so good. And that is it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing my at-home, easy, relaxed, realistic facial routine. I will make sure that I link and put everything down in the description box below if you're interested in trying any of the products that I use. I do highly recommend each and every product that I use, and I will link my skincare favorites video down there as well if you want to check that out. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.